Hello and good morning, whenever present here. I am Bhavya Sharma from 11th standard, and today I am here to give a lecture on a most curious and must-know topic of our country, which is national security. So, national security is the protection of a national stability and well-being from various threats, including military security, energy security, environmental security, economic security, as well as cyber security that can significantly impact the quality of lives. So, firstly, we have to know that every country have its own NSS, which is National Security Strategies and National Security Advisor. And in the case of India, we have Ajit Doval sir as our National Security Advisor and give suggestion to the government to what to do and how to do for the security matters, whether it is internal or external. So we have to know that why it is necessary to maintain national security. So we can assume the example of 2022 in the AIIMS hospital. The database of AIIMS hospital was hacked by Chinese hackers, which leads to hacking of 1.3 TB of data across the 5 servers. And we can say that the national security is not much important for the military hard power, but it's also dependent on the other aspects. So we can conclude our today's discussion by saying that the duty of government is only to protect our borders and to give facilities, but true security of nation refers to the growth and development of a nations without any threat or war. Thank you and have a nice day.